Hi! In front of me is LENOVO Tab 4.8 and today I would like to show you how you can change theme of your keyboard on this device. Firstly, open Settings and scroll down. Then choose Languages and Input, Virtual Keyboard and Google One. After that, go into Theme and click on one of those options, for example pink one. Then select keyboards to enable or disable them, and when you're ready, just go back. So now when I try to access my keyboard, I can see the theme of it has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!